Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log out of your Hotmail account. In order to log out of your Hotmail account, you'll need to open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar, type in www.outlook.live.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. So first of all, you need to log in into your account. So click on the sign in button and enter in your credentials. That includes entering your Hotmail address, and after that enter in the code that will be sent to this particular email address or enter in the password. So click on the sign in button located right at the bottom, and this is gonna log you into your Hotmail account. So then to sign out of your Hotmail account, it is very simple. What you need to do is, once you're logged into your account, in the upper right hand side corner you'll be able to see a profile icon. Click on it, and as soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and right on top there is an option as sign out. Click on it in order to log out of your Hotmail account. So this is how simple it is to log out of your Hotmail account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.